Hello student, today I am going to teach you page layout in which first menu is theme. Hello student, I am going to teach you a page layout and its first menu is a theme. Theme means you are setting the page format. You can set any one. Suppose I am setting this one, and then you can set the color, font and effect. Here are the different types of effect, but I'm not going to disturb it. So then take a margin. I'm taking a narrow margin. Then orientation, I've taken a landscape. You can take a portrait also. And, as you see the page style, same way the portrait and landscape will set. Then size is general is 8.5 to 11 inch, that is portrait or A4 size, but if the matter is very long, then use the legal one. I'm taking letter. Print area, you can set print area or you can clear print area. Print area, set print area is already set by default. When you clear it, then again you can set. Then page break, suppose you want something to write on the another page, then use page break. Then this will print on the another page, and then you can remove this page break or reset all page break. Then background, you can change your background by using some another picture. Suppose you have taken this one, so okay, this will change the background. Now delete background. I don't want this background. Or this is a Christmas background which I won't want to put here, so leave it. Then width and height of the page is set by default automatically, and it should be on a 100% scale. 100% scale means you are giving full size page. You can view the grid or you can remove the grid. Grid means these lines which you are seeing in your page. Heading, you can view the heading or you can leave the heading. This page is heading A, B, C, D you are seeing, and then you print your grid line or you can print your heading, which is generally we don't want. Then selection pane, any picture you can select and align it. Snap to grid, that means it should be on within grid. Then snap to shape, that means you are inserting this picture into any shape. Suppose you have taken the shape round and you are inserting the picture within it. And then select both and picture shape should be round. So this will become. Then picture border, we'll give the picture border and many more things. This way I have finished my page layout. section, and now I will tomorrow teach you the formula, which is very important for the calculation or the manipulation of your data, and you must learn all this step for the exam, otherwise you won't be able to answer the question of paper, and this time you won't be able to give the answer only by learning and learning, but you should use your brain also, because they must be giving a tricky question in this time. As you know, the classes are going online, so you must ask the question which you won't be able to understand by the online teaching or online videos. And this is my request to subscribe my channel and learn more and more computer, and make a notes and project which I am telling you. But you people are not subscribing my channel, so you won't be able to get each and everything. Please subscribe the channel and learn all the stuff which I have taught you